Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Volvo S60 battery, easy method. Begin by parking on level ground with the engine off, engaging the parking brake, and removing the key. Open the trunk or hood to access the battery and put on gloves and eye protection. Identify negative and positive terminals and ensure the charger is set to 12V. Confirm charger clamps are clean before connecting to avoid sparks and ensure a solid connection. Set your smart charger to 12V and choose a low amp setting for a safe, slow charge. Position the charger on a stable surface within reach of the battery and verify the polarity symbols on the clamps. Clean any terminal corrosion with a wire brush to improve contact. Connect the positive clamp first to the positive terminal, then attach the negative clamp to a solid ground point if recommended. Double-check connections before powering the charger on. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical car videos. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes maintenance effortless, and it keeps the garage tidy while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once clamps are secure, power the charger and monitor voltage and amp draw as the battery accepts charge. Allow the smart charger to complete its program cycle, which helps prevent overcharging by tapering current as the battery nears full. Periodically check for heat or swelling and keep the area ventilated. When the charger indicates full charge, turn it off before removing clamps, starting with the negative clamp, then the positive to avoid sparks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.